brand that has been crafting fabulous Indian wear ethnics for over 4 decades now.
So we have curated a few bridal outfits for today's live shopping session. Feel free to ask any questions that you have regarding the customization and the fabric details, the kind of work. We are here, me and Khushi will help you out with all the details and all the information that you need, and have a look at the collection that we have sorted.
So let's get started with our virtual tour,
Yes,
shall we?
yes, let's get
Come
started.
on.
This is our first lehenga. It's a maroon. It's a bridal lehenga in maroon color. The detailing on the lehenga is in antique tone of zari. Somebody who doesn't want like a blingy outfit, but more, a vintage kind of a look, then you can opt for this one. The work on the blouse, it's got like intricate floral detailing. Everything is in Zardozi work with a touch-up of kaddana and sequins, and the tone of the zari is antique to give a more vintage look to the outfit. You can see the motifs of the lehenga. There are some geometric motifs and some floral motifs. Everything is adjusted to go in a flow. And the edges of the lehenga, it has got scallop detailing on the border.
Let's talk about the dupatta a bit.
Price for this lehenga is,
Let me check. So okay, the MRP of this lehenga is 2,36,440, but coincidentally we have our sale going on at the moment, so the sale price will be 1,97,890. The sale price will be applicable till 8th of August. So whoever books the lehenga before 8th of August, they can get it on sale.
we have a heavy dupatta with this lehenga. It's got heavy checkered design with scallop edges, and along with the vintage zari, the antique zari on the lehenga, we have added some blue sequins to it. And we have a, yeah, sure. The details. Yes.
That's a good deal. It's a beautiful piece. Yeah, 2,31,000 is the sale price, which is applicable before 8th of August.
Now when you see the blouse of this piece, it's got a very sharp V neckline, which is very good when you want to wear a heavy jewelry in the neckline as a bride. Plus the neckline is adorned with sequins. It gives a very different look. It's got a sharp cut, clean cut in the neckline, and there are tassels at the hem of the blouse. And it's got an antique tone of sequins and beads.
I hope we are clear to you. If you can't hear us, please tell us.
Loud and clear, loud and
Okay,
clear.
okay.
I'll show you the dupattas with these outfits.
There are 2 dupattas with this outfit.
So we have 2 dupatta options on these bridal lehenga. One is a blush pink dupatta. And it has a border detailing like pink and yellow colors. The second dupatta that we have is on organza, and this is the work on the dupatta. It's got a bigger border. It has got zari weaving on the dupatta.
Guys, I have one question. One of the brides wants to know that most lehengas come with double dupattas or only some lehengas?
Some lehengas have double dupatta, some has one. But again, even in the outfits that has one dupatta, we can make a second dupatta for you, matching with the work on your lehenga.
Thank you. I think we can move on to the next outfit.
Yeah.
Let's move on to the mustard yellow outfit that we talked about earlier.
Covering the face.
It looks so beautiful. Can you show us? Can you walk a bit and show us?
What is the base fabric for this outfit?
The base fabric for this outfit is net, and we have used really soft net. I'll show you the work detailing for this. It's got zari, it's got resham, and there is beautiful detailing of floral. Plus there are, the building structures on this, and
Ancient architecture has been weaved on this.
yes, and there are some bird motifs. So that's like very colorful yet blingy, and this is a very different color in bridal lehenga. Like we have done a combination of yellow and red. The best part of this outfit is the headwear, because we don't have a classic straight headwear dupatta. We have a rounded headwear dupatta. So that way, when if a bride wants to make her entry with the pallu on her face, and then you want to, so that way the dupatta is in a round shape. Plus, I'll show you the dupatta from the back as to how it is very well detailed.
Yes. Can you please tell us the price also for this outfit?
Yes.
Sure.
The MRP of this outfit is 2,78,400, but the sale price is 2,38,400.
2,38,400 is the price of the
2,38,400.
This is our head dupatta. This outfit also has a shoulder dupatta, which is in a matching color with the lehenga. I'll just show you how the model is going to walk with this outfit.
full.
I'll show you the detailing on the blouse of this outfit. So we have a scoop neckline along with some beautiful resham flowers in shades of pink, which would act as a contrast on the yellow background. And we have sequins to give a bling to the bridal outfit. It has a matching net dupatta, and we have added similar embroidery on the dupatta. The similar kind of floral detailing which was there on the lehenga.
It is beautiful and such
Yeah.
detailed work. And even though the color is absolutely neat, a couple of brides have asked if they can also get something like this in a different color.
Yes. We can definitely make this outfit in a different color, and with the same headwell, with the same kind of detailing on this, we can change the blouse style, we can change the color of the lehenga. It can be done.
Amazing. I think we can move on to the next outfit. Thank you so much for showcasing this one so beautifully.
Let's show them the bridal color palette over here.
So we have taken out a few bridal lehengas which are in the shades of red, pinks, something in gold, something in pastel ivory, and like blush pink, baby blues. We have all the lehengas curated for you, and we'll go one by one.
Let's start with these.
Yes, we'll start with our red lehenga. Kushi will show us the lehenga.
Yes,
This
guys,
is-
now they're showing the range of bridal lehengas in all colors, starting with red. Just a small word, whoever has joined us now, Supada store has just showcased lehengas for all you guys to see. Please screenshot your favorites, connect with the brand after the show via WhatsApp. You can connect with them from the contact button at the bottom end of the screen, or also via the number that will be pasting on the chat. We are running a sale right now, and you have up to 40% discount on all outfits till 8th of August. So don't miss out on this chance and get in touch with them. Okay guys, let's give this lehenga. And again, we already have a price request for this one.
Yes. So this is a red lehenga with gotapatti work and zatosi work on it. I'll show you the detailing. It's got French knot, it's got gotapatti, a hint of resham, sequins and pearls. It's a classic red bridal lehenga.
Yes, and the price?
Let me show you. Let me tell you the price. Okay, so the MRP of this lehenga is 1,42,300 and the sale price is 1,18,750.
Now as you see the detailing,
18,750.
Yeah, 1,18,750.
now we
Yes,
have a
guys, we will be coming to all shades of lehengas. Let's have a look at red one now.
yeah.
The next red one.
The next one.
Next we have a pink bridal
Let's
lehenga.
get this one by the.
Yes. So we'll have a model who's going to wear this lehenga and show, so you get a better idea of the look. Next is a pink bridal lehenga. This is a pink floral embroidered bridal lehenga. It has a hint of sage green and blush pink on it. There are pearls, there are sequins. I'll show you the border of this lehenga. base fabric is raw silk.
Raw silk. This is on raw silk, right?
Yes, this is on raw silk. And you can see the different floral motifs in the border. I'll show you the blouse and dupatta for this one. And I'll tell you the price for this.
Yes.
So we have a blouse with a beautiful sweetheart neckline. And it has the similar kind of detailing which is there on the lehenga. It's got a big border on the sleeve. And Khushi, can you tell the price for this?
Yes, just a second. Okay. The MRP of this lehenga is 91,000 and the sale price is 76,230.
76,230.
Yes, you heard it right, yeah.
Somebody is asking, can you change the base fabric from raw silk? Can you make it velvet?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
We can definitely start, creating the lehenga as per their choice for the fabric, for the color and everything. But that when we customize the entire lehenga, the entire piece, we that will cost you the MRP and not the sale price.
Understood. And how much time do you take for the customization of the outfit?
So customization would take around 50 to 60 days of time. Any
50 to
outfit?
60
Yes. We need at least 50 to 60 days of time because since all these lehengas are handcrafted and we'll be making it as per your requirement. So we need at least 60 days of time. Again, the sale that we are saying, sale is till 8th of August. So all the sale prices that we are mentioning on all the outfits is only going to be applicable till 8th of August.
Understood. Okay, I think we can move on to the ivory lehenga. The lot of brides are requesting.
Yes. Alright, so we have a bride ready with the pink bridal lehenga. So let's finish that first.
She looks mesmerizing. Wow, look at her.
And this is also a beautiful pink, typical pink bridal lehenga.
Yes, it's a classic pink bridal lehenga with Zardozi work on it. It has an organza dupatta with it.
Let's show them the details. The blouse.
So, in this pink lehenga, we have used French knot, we have used Zardozi, we have used sequins, we have created a contrast on the pink base color with orange and red coloration. And there's beautiful
And
Zardozi
you also know
detailing.
the price for this? Once
Yeah.
you are showcased, we'll get the price also.
Yeah. And this is the border of the lehenga. It's got a big border at the hem.
Okay, so the price for this one is the MRP is 1,78,300 and the sale price is 1,48,750. Were you able to hear me?
1,48,750.
Yeah, you heard it correct.
Got it. Got it.
Can you twirl around a bit? Let me take this.
Now we'll start with our ivory and pastel lehenga.
Thank you so much. This was again a beautiful outfit.
we'll have a model wearing this and we'll show you this outfit.
In the meanwhile, can you see the next idea?
Yeah,
This
yes,
one on the back.
yes. The next ivory lehenga has got pink color flower detailing on it. It has pearls and sequins, it has zardozi. We have used crystals in this lehenga to give an extra bling. As you can see, in this lehenga, we have used silver katanas along with gold and pearl. This is for a classic bride who wants to go for, pastel color lehenga on her wedding day with, beautiful floral detailing. So yeah, this is,
It's not very blingy, but yet very elegant.
It's pastel, something very soft, very feminine, something that you want to wear. The fabric on the lehenga is raw silk. Now I'll
What was the price also please for this one?
The price, the MRP is 81,880 and the sale price is 68,530.
now
8,530.
68,530, yes.
All the brides to be, please screenshot your favorite. Color theme has got a great sale going on. You don't want to miss out on this chance.
Now I'll show you the kadai which is there on this blouse. Okay, इसमें sequins का काम है along with floral रेशम work. And again, इसमें भी we have a sweetheart neckline. So because of the sweetheart neckline, आपको जो भी jewelry पहननी है, you want to wear your choker necklaces, you want to wear heavy jewelry in the neckline, you can easily wear that because you have a neckline which is very wide and very straight. This outfit comes with one dupatta which is in blush pink color. If you want to get a second dupatta made, it can be done.
Okay, guys, can we have a look at the lehenga skirt again? A few brides did
Sure.
take screenshots. They want to see this.
Oh, sure, definitely.
And also, do you guys ship internationally as well, right?
Yes, we ship
We ship
internationally.
worldwide.
Thank you. Can you just step back a little so that we can see the full skirt and then the bride can take a screenshot quickly?
Yeah, sure.
Don't miss out on this, guys. We are doing it again for you and then we will move on to the next outfit. Yes. I think the next one is again a pastel shade.
Yes, the next one is also like an off-white color raw silk lehenga. This one has beautiful, colorful floral detailing on it.
It looks so pretty.
Yeah, so pretty.
So soft and yet so elegant.
All the contrast colors on the white background that creates a very beautiful look because you have a classic off-white color raw silk and then there are अलग-अलग color के floral detailing है जिसकी वजह से the work stands out. And then we have used इसमें हमने sequins use किए हुए हैं in silver color. We have not used gold in this. We have silver sequins. We have silver katanas
Silver
here.
and rose gold.
Yes.
Yes, guys, all color customizations are possible. Ritu has a very particular question. She's like, if she purchases now and then she wants some size adjustments. Is it possible?
Yes, yes. Size adjustments are possible. We will help you with taking measurements online, and it could be, it would be fitted as per your size, and all the adjustments are possible. And you can even do the adjustments later.
Got it. Guys, you can always get in touch with the brand team. Get in touch with the brand team and help you select the outfit and customize it and make it according to your size and your preferences very happy.
Yeah, we'll even help you with the measurements online as to how to take the measurements. You can even get it done, take the measurements at home with the help of a friend or something. So we will be helping you throughout.
Can I show the blouse and the dupatta?
Yes, I'll show you the blouse. Now this outfit comes with 2 dupatta options. This is the blouse. The blouse is all colorful floral detailing on it. So there are tiny flowers in blue and pink and peach. Now there are 2 dupattas here. One is blush pink. It has scallop border on it, and there are pretty, resham flowers all over on the dupatta.
Guys, we would also love to know the price for this one as well.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
Price. So the MRP for this one is 77,430 and the sale price is 65,420.
Yes, brides, it is only 65,000.
And the 65,000 price includes the 2 dupattas.
Yes, it includes the 2 dupattas.
Yeah.
Thank you. I think we can move on to the next outfit.
Okay, so our model is ready with our ivory gold lehenga.
Wow, breathtaking.
So the base fabric for this lehenga is organza. And we have a blouse in raw silk. This lehenga has got like beautiful gold detailing on it. It has a dupatta with a big border. The detailing on this is Zardozi Gota Patti. You can see pearls on this. You can see sequins. There is nakshi used. So it's got all gold detailing. This one is our gold lehenga. Something with not very shiny, but for brides who want to, stand out, stick to neutral colors. I'll show you the detailing on the border up close. You can see the neckline. It's got a very sharp and a very different neckline.
Can we also know the price for this one?
Yes, sure. इसकी प्राइस है
The MRP is 2,03,320 and the sale price is 1,70,170.
1,70,170.
Yes.
Yes. This is all handwork, right?
yes,
Yes.
it's all handwork.
Beautiful.
It's always good to have an outfit you can twirl around.
Yes.
I think we can move on to the other outfit now. Thank you so much for this one.
Now we have pastel pink lehenga.
Let's get this one. Maya.
blush pink lehenga with colorful resham work on it. All the gold sequins that we have added here gives a perfect amount of shine to the lehenga.
Guys, the video is getting a little blurred here. Can we step a little towards the right so that we can see the video better? Just a little bit towards the right. I think that's the way it makes sense. Yeah. And if you can just go a little slowly.
Are you able to see clearly now?
Yes. Just focus on our eyes. I think we can continue with the description of the lehenga.
This one is a pastel blush pink lehenga with colorful resham detailing on it. We have different shades of pink used here in the floral detailing. We have added some gold bling to the outfit with the sequins, and the placement of sequins is as such. You'll find bling on the top part of the lehenga.
And what's the price for this one?
Yes.
Let me tell you just a second. The MRP is 84,390 and the sale price is 71,300
71,300 after discount.
After discount,
after
yes.
discount. Yes.
And this is the blouse. It has a sweetheart neckline with gold checkered design. There is a floral border at the waist, and we have some floral detailing on the sleeves.
And then we have two dupattas.
Now this lehenga includes two dupattas. One is in blush pink. The second dupatta that we have here is ivory.
Bluish ivory, I guess. It's a little blue, I think.
Yes.
Thanks, guys. I think we can move on to the next outfit.
Yeah, sure.
I hope English is convenient for all the brides over here. But if you need any detail in Hindi as well, we can repeat that for you.
Now,
So I think we are good with English. You're having all the questions coming as well.
okay. We have a powder blue lehenga. Now this lehenga is, bride can use it for her pre-wedding functions, be it her sangeet, or maybe if you want to wear it for any of your pre-wedding functions. This lehenga is perfect for bridesmaids also, for a sister of the bride, or bride's best friend. It has got nakshi work, it's got marodi work, it's got resham. We have used light gold zari tone in this. It's not like a very blingy gold or not an antique tone. It's a very lighter gold tone. I'll show you the border for this. It's got, the border is contrast in gold and pink.
Show them the
Also-
entire look of the
Also, this
lehenga.
lehenga can be customized in any color that you want.
And the flare is really good. All the lehengas come with a great flare.
Here.
Blur ho raha hai.
Yes. And also the price for this.
The MRP price is 1,65,600 and the sale price is 1,38,600.
1,38,600.
Yes.
Got it.
So we have a heavy blouse with raw edges in the neckline and in the sleeve. The blouse has got heavy work of naxi, it's got a heavy work of resham. So when you see together with the lehenga, we have a lehenga which is a bit lighter. We have a blouse that is heavy. And we have an organza dupatta.
It's a monochrome outfit. All the three things are in the same color.
And the
looks
border of
really
this
pretty.
lehenga dupatta is also very different than the previous designs that you have seen. This outfit is perfect for sister of the bride, for mother of the bride, or for bride herself, for any of her pre-wedding functions.
Yes, we can see the blouse so quickly again.
Sure.
And then great.
You have a matching mask with the lehenga, with almost
all
all the
lehengas,
bridal lehengas.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we can move on to the next one quickly.
Sure. Our model is ready with the pink lehenga.
For all the brides who wanted to see something in a lighter pink shade, the one.
For this outfit, we have used colored sequins on it along with resham. When you see all the detailing, you will not find more gold in this. You know, there is tonal sequins used, tonal kaddanas used on the flowers. Like the pink flowers, there are yellow flowers, there are leaves. But we have, we have avoided using gold in this outfit. We've kept the look monochrome. We have kept the detailing to be tonal. The base color is blush pink, but yet we have added so many colors in the flowers. It gives a very colorful look, something perfect for a bride who wants to not wear like a classic red color, wants to stick to pastel tones, lighter lehengas, and something for a day wedding.
Guys, your voice suddenly went. I think there is a hand on the microphone. Yes, now I can hear.
Okay,
Can we also know the price for this one?
sure.
Okay, the price, the MRP for this one is 86,130 and the sale price is 72,770.
72,770.
Yes.
Yes, and like I said, the sale is only till 8th of August. So if there is any lehenga that you are liking and you want to book it, you have to let us know by 8th of August. So that way you will get it at a discounted price. This lehenga has two dupattas. One is in an off-white tone. The second one is blush pink, matching with the lehenga. Now we have a purple lehenga. Yes. This has got a very different style of work. It's got Parsi work on it. The detailing and the work style is all Parsi work. You can see. This outfit is perfect for mother of the bride, somebody who wants to, look elegant, who doesn't want to overdo something. You want more, simple and a classic design. I'll show you the blouse for this lehenga. As you can see, the blouse.
Price for this?
Let me check the price.
Okay, the price. The MRP is 1,09,480 and the sale price is 91,630. I repeat, 91,630.
Thank you so much.
The blouse has got heavy work on it. It's got heavy Parsi work. You can see the neckline of the blouse. It's like very sharp tailored neckline. Where I'll show you the back of the blouse. So idea to make this outfit was we wanted to create a very elegant look for the mother of the bride. And
The blouse is beautiful.
it comes with a organza dupatta in ivory. This outfit too can be customized in any color that you want.
Guys, we have a few requests to one, see the first red outfit that we saw on the mannequin.
Okay.
And if you have something with a little bit of fancy on it. This gold and red bridal lehenga, we are showcasing it again, guys. Please screenshot and get in touch with the brand post the session. We are pasting the number continuously on the chat. You can also get in touch with the brand by the contact button at the end of this week. They are running a shoot sale till 8th of August, so all the prices will be at a discount. This is the best chance to purchase an outfit from them.
I'll tell you the sale price again for this outfit.
The sale price is 1,97,890.
197890.
Yes, 197,890.
Thank you so much.
Now, I'll show you one lehenga which is for a traditional bride. Somebody who wants to wear more traditional taste. You don't want to go with the red work. You don't want to go with pastels. We have a patola lehenga. This is a original pattern patola. It took us 4 months to just make the kali of the lehengas. Okay, the fabric, the weaving. This is double ikat patola, and it's a real pattern patola. So the beauty on the lehenga is the fabric. We have used the best fabric. Now to make the border heavy, we have used marodi work with French knot and resham. We have paired this dupatta with Naksi bandhani. This is not the regular style of bandhani. It's a very different design. It's a very intricate bandhani. The dupatta border also has marodi and French knot on it. This lehenga comes with 2 dupattas. The second dupatta is organza.
This can be used on the head.
I'll show you the blouse for this. Now for the blouse, we choose to do a contrast color. Then the blue, we have used a red blouse. On the blouse, there is very intricate resham work. As you look closer, you'll find beautiful, colorful resham detailing in the blouse, along with marodi work. It has a hint of resham. It has French knots. I'll show you the back of the blouse. This particular outfit, if you want to place a custom order, it would take at least 4 months of time, because right from the fabric we have to weave the fabric. The patola weaving takes a lot of time, and these are one of a kind outfit. It's very difficult to get something which is similar to this.
It's one of the most marvelous pieces you would ever find.
Absolutely. A traditional Patan Patola lehenga which took around 4 months to complete. Right? This is actually one of a collection to have in your wardrobe. Right? Can you please know the price for this?
Yes, I'll tell you the MRP for this one.
Yes.
I don't have the MRP. Oh yeah, this is the MRP. Okay, so the MRP for this royal outfit is 3,61,130. 3,61,130.
Completely handcrafted, completely hand woven. This outfit is like, it's going to be really different than what you'll have in your trousseau. As a bride, it's always good to carry a heritage woven fabric, something which is old, something which is traditional,
And I don't think we
and
can
something
ever
that you can
find.
treasure with you all your life.
Yeah, I don't think we can ever find something even closely similar to this one.
Okay, guys, just like we are kind of running out on time. We have the last 5 minutes left for the session, and we have a few requests for if we can see the first 2-3 red legs. Yeah, this one. God, this is the request that has been coming continuously. All the guys who've been asking, we have these lehenga here, and if we could see just one more red lehenga after this.
Yeah, sure, we can show you another. This one is a classic red bridal lehenga.
Plus, one more thing before we start talking about the details of this lehenga is this is for the brides who do not want to, go that expensive with their outfit, because the price for this one is in sale. It is just 60,830.
Can you please repeat the price?
60,830.
60830.
Yes, yes. The classic red lehenga, all-time favorite, timeless. If we are running out of time, I think we should move on to 2 more stunning pieces that we have.
We have a beautiful lehenga in crystals with tonal work for Sangeet.
It's a deep sea green color.
It's an emerald lehenga. This is our deep emerald lehenga.
With a belt as an added detail over here.
Here in this lehenga, we have kept tonal detailing. So everything, all the work which is there on the lehenga, as you can see, it's got kardanas, it's got sequins, it's got crystals. It's all tonal to match the base color, which is emerald green. It comes with a beautiful waist belt. When you see the blouse neckline,
What is the fabric of this lehenga?
this is organza.
Okay, this is an organza based lehenga.
It's got like a
The price also?
deep V neck with tassels.
Price. Second, let me find the price. Okay.
This lehenga is ideal for a bride to wear on her Sangeet night, or maybe on a reception.
The MRP is 1,78,000 and the sale price is 1,48,750. I would repeat, 1,48,750.
Guys, your internet is breaking up here. I think 1,48,000 you said?
Yes, 1,48,750.
750.
Yes.
We have time for just one more outfit now.
Yeah, we just have one more outfit now. Let's come to this one.
Now we have our last lehenga, which is perfect for Sangeet.
It's a piece of art, I would say.
For the brides who wants to, wear really blingy outfits on the Sangeet night, something very sparkly, very shiny, this is the right piece for you. It's got crystals, it's got sequins, it's got stones, it's got like all, blingy things on it. That's the reason it would be perfect. Paired with a dupatta which is heavy. There are crystal lines on all over on the dupatta, so it gives a very shiny look to it, along with the border of the dupatta which has resham work and sequins.
Guys, what's the price for this one?
Okay. The price is. The MRP is 2,73,240. And the sale price is 2,28,690. I would repeat, 2,28,690.
Thank you so much, guys. This was such a fun session. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. And thank you for the guys joining it. Please get in touch with us and contact us by name on the screen or the number that we pasted again on the chat. Otherwise, we have a huge collection to show you. Get in touch with them and they will help you out with your range, the fabric, your choice of outfit, everything. Thank you so much, team.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having us. You can get in contact with us with the number that has been pasted, and we would love to host you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.